Welcome to Beautyistic, where we help you navigate the world of beauty with expert insights. Today, let's talk about a duo that promises to elevate your eye makeup game: the Dazzle and Define Eyeshadow Stick Mini and Tubing Mascara Set from Jane Iredale. These products are designed for convenience and performance, combining both color and care in one handy package. But do they live up to the hype? Let's find out. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated on all things beauty. Let's start with the ColorLuxe Eyeshadow Stick Minis in Moonstone and Bronze. These sticks are crafted for a smooth, easy application with the rich pigmentation of a powder, but the ease of a pencil. The colors, Moonstone and Bronze, are designed to be flattering for all skin tones, providing both a shimmering highlight and a sultry depth, depending on which shade you choose. The key ingredients focus on hydrating and nourishing your delicate eyelids with a blend that aims to condition while adding color. You won't find any harsh chemicals here, just a luxurious creamy formula that glides on without tugging at the skin. Whether you want a soft, everyday look or something a little bolder for a night out, these shades are versatile. The second half of the set is the Lash Fixation Length and Definition Tubing Mascara in black. Unlike traditional mascaras, tubing mascaras create tiny tubes around each lash, making them more resistant to smudging and flaking. This means your lashes stay defined, voluminous, and waterproof, even during long hours or in humid conditions. The formula is also conditioning, which is a bonus for lash health over time. During my testing, I found both products easy to use and quick to apply. The Eyeshadow Stick Minis blend effortlessly with fingers or a brush, making them beginner-friendly, while the tubing mascara defined my lashes without clumping. The mascara also held up well throughout the day, keeping my lashes in place with no smudging or irritation, which is a huge plus for anyone with sensitive eyes or contact lens wearers. Now let's talk pros and cons. The pros are clear. The pigmentation of the eyeshadow sticks is vibrant and long-lasting. I also love how moisturizing both the shadow and mascara are, as they don't dry out the skin or lashes. The mascara's tubing effect is definitely a standout, especially for those who struggle with smudging. Plus, both products are very easy to apply, even on the go. On the con side, the Eyeshadow Stick Minis may not be the most long-lasting if you have oily eyelids. You may need a primer to ensure the color stays intact for the entire day. As for the mascara, while it's great at defining and lengthening, it doesn't give a dramatic volume boost. So if you're someone who loves bold lashes, this may not be your go-to. When it comes to value for money, this set strikes a balance. The products perform well, and you're getting two items that are both high quality and versatile for everyday use. Jane Iredale is known for its commitment to clean beauty, so you're investing in products that are good for your skin as well as your look. If you're on the lookout for alternatives, there are other eyeshadow sticks and tubing mascaras out there that might be more budget-friendly, but they likely won't offer the same combination of clean ingredients and performance. If you're willing to spend a little more, this set gives you professional-level results that are hard to beat. As for build quality, both the eyeshadow sticks and mascara are well packaged, with the shadow sticks being sturdy and easy to twist up, while the mascara has a sleek, no-mess tube that dispenses just the right amount of product. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't needed to contact Jane Iredale's customer service, but they're known for excellent customer care. Should you ever need assistance, rest assured, you'll likely receive quick and helpful responses. Finally, if you're after a more dramatic look, you may want to explore a few other mascaras that deliver more volume. As for eyeshadows, there are plenty of other shadow sticks available, but not many with the same hydrating benefits as these. It's all about finding what fits your routine. To sum up, the Dazzle and Define Eyeshadow Stick Mini and Tubing Mascara Set offers excellent value, particularly for those looking for clean beauty products that combine great performance with nourishing ingredients. The eyeshadows are easy to use and the mascara holds up well, But if you want that bold lash volume, this might not be the product for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.